Good morning. So our idea is to create a website for charities where people can donate to that charity. Volunteers can apply it for that, helping that charity. The charities will have a dashboard where all the data will be stored. So basically, it's a website where charities can put up their events and their information so that people get to know them more because a lot of charities are unknown. So basically, when we were growing up, there were a lot of clothes and things that we had to dispose of, but we didn't know how to do it. So this website will actually give a way to charities to know how to actually publicize them, and the people to know how to donate to them and where to donate to them. So we have three things: a home page, an admin dashboard, and a charity dashboard. In the charity dashboard, charity can apply, they can apply for the access. Once the admin confirms the access, whether it's a genuine or charity or not, once it is confirmed, the charity have the access to put up events to the home page and actually accept requests from the volunteers that who want to volunteer. The admin page actually only have one function, that is to accept or reject the applications from the charity. And the home page, as we showed you earlier in the UI, just gives you an overview of what our site is and gives few call to action buttons for volunteer application, and uh, the events page gives you the events details. Our future implementation includes a payments page where actually you can donate money online. So that is a future implementation. We haven't implemented that in code, but that is one idea that people can actually donate in an online method. So yeah, now we'll be showing you the actual implementation of our code.
Yeah. So there have two options: register as user or register as charity. So whenever a charity registers themselves, like okay, so their dashboard will open, in which the charity name they had given it will shown up. In the request access, they will give the address of their charity, the coordinates of their location, and their contact number, and some description. Okay. Whenever they will submit, a contact number will be shown here. So in the admin dashboard, this request access will has passed on. So the admin can check the location, like where it's found in the Google Map, coordinates can found in the Google Map. And also it can like whether on the basis of the review it can accept or reject. So if it's accepting, a small gift was representing, yeah, that it's accepted by the admin. 1 minute, I'll show you. Yeah. So here this represent that your application was accepted. Okay. So now, if a user is entering, so they can come into the home page. Okay. So they have these overview, what are the events and nearby events. If they want to volunteer, they can go to the call to action form. And we have events page where all the nearby events are shown up. So they can check and they can click on these attend so that they can attend them, and that's all. So basically, yeah, may
So
had
basically, our platform is all-in-one platform where charities can put up their events so that people can know them. Volunteers can volunteer to a good cause, and people who want to donate online can donate. Even though that is a future implementation that we have not thought of actually, only designed a UI to get an idea. But everything else can be done as of now. And the dashboards are also secure because only when the admin gives the access to charity, only then the charity can put up, so it will not be a scam. So
and also
that's our
here you
idea.
can sign out from our page. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's
Yes.
our whole idea. Thank you.
Thank you.